Welcome to Carsales Challenge,
where you'll meet real people
It just feels like it wants to go really fast. I need a freeway.
with real unfiltered opinions.
Hello.
Nice to meet you, Rose. What do you think of the cars?
Wow, they look amazing. I just trying to work out what they are.
Any guesses at all?
It's a Renault.
It is a Renault.
It looks like something I want to get into and have a drive.
beautiful. We really want to get to know you a little bit.
Okay, well, I'm a mum of two. I'm an interior designer. I have a keen eye for colour and detail, and I love cars.
Why do you love cars?
My dad, everyone's into cars, so couldn't escape it.
And do you have a car preference?
Currently I'm driving a Golf GTI, which I adore. I love the stitching and the leather and just the way it just all fitted out perfectly.
What are the things that you don't like about your car?
It has really low profile tyres. A few scratches.
That happens to the best
too.
of us.
Does it? I hope so.
My frustration with my little Golf is there's this USB slot and I just can't get to it.
Actually, you're right about that.
It's in the same...
Yeah. I can't actually see the slot. It's actually quite frustrating because you do use your charger quite a bit.
Yeah.
Why do you love European cars so much?
I find the European cars, they just have that little bit extra detail in the design.
It's now time to give you one of the cars and have a bit of an explore through it. Tell us your honest feedback and enjoy the experience as well.
Thank you.
Beautiful. Enjoy.
Oh wow, looks amazing. I love the alloy wheels, love that detail. Oh wow, look at the lighting. Oh, it looks really nice from the back. Oh, I love the grille. Oh, the double exhaust. Love the lights actually, that's a really nice feature. I like the way the lights elongate the car. Oh wow. Two-tone, black and blue, looks great. Oh, blue stitching. Oh, there's lots of little details in here. Blue here, love the steering wheel. Wow, there's heaps to like. I love it. Oh, look at that little detail in the seatbelt. Fantastic.
Here we go. Feels good. I like it. Yeah, sounds great too. It just feels like it wants to go really fast. I need a freeway. I really like the paddle shifters. I guess they mimic the steering wheel. The screen's in perfect positioning and perfect visibility. And the little blue accents everywhere are a really nice touch. The car does feel safe. It is important, the safety features, especially having a family. It ticks all those boxes.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
How did you go?
Yeah, I loved it. I really enjoyed the handling, the way it sort of really gripped the road. It felt really sporty. I like the sports seats. They sort of felt like they were hugging me.
And how does it compare to the Golf GTI?
Well, it actually had some similarities in the sense it felt like a real city car. It felt just as sporty.
And you mentioned before that styling was really important to you and the finishing inside the car.
I really liked it. Yeah, there's lots of little details. Well, with design, it works or it doesn't work. In this case, someone's really taken their time and put some emphasis on the design.
What about some big differences between the two vehicles?
It's probably a little bit more fun, this vehicle, in terms of the styling, I think, and the design inside. There's just a little bit more colour.
What was the first thing that captured you when you saw it?
I'd say it was the wheels, actually. I really liked the pattern and the colour. Just a little bit. They did stand out to me.
Do you think your two boys would enjoy it as well?
Yeah, I think they would. I think they would really like it. They'd fight for the front seat. But yeah, they'd love it.
Coming up on Carsales Challenge.
It's very sporty.
Is there anywhere to put your coins?